Hey guys, the man from hell here. Fourth review on this. I know you guys suspected me to make the abandoned video, but personal things got in the way, so yeah. That should be coming very soon though. Very soon. But yeah, until then we got this. And this one's a little bit special because this is the Walgreens exclusive Ratchet, Autobot Ratchet. So let's take a look at his packaging, shall we? And I still have tape in here that I use to hold Ratchet in place. But yeah, here's the front. There's the R right there, Transformers, Hasbro, Autobot symbol, Generations, Takara Tommy, Siege War for Cybertron Trilogy right there. Autobot symbol, Ratchet, Autobot. There's his art right there of his G1 missile cannon or whatever, and Ratchet. The jokes. These are the jokes. Yep, he is a deluxe class. Other side of that amazing art right there. There's the back with him in all three of his modes: vehicle mode, robot mode, and medical bay mode. Yeah, I think. There's the front right there. Autobot symbol, Transformers, War for Cybertron Trilogy, and Autobot symbol, authentic Transformers, legal mumbo jumbo. And here he is in his vehicle mode, his Cybertronian ambulance mode. And I don't readjust the camera. There we go. And yeah, I like him. So let's get close up to the details, shall we? So there's the front right there. There, I hope that helped with the focus. I forgot something. I keep forgetting to do this. The light helps with everything. But yeah, there's the headlights in there. Little missile bay areas in here or whatever. The bumper done in silver. Kind of a battle damage, kind of, I guess. There's the windshield, Autobot symbol, lights right there. Here's the sides with his wheels. And all out detail right there. A whole bunch of detail on this guy. There's the back with his feet hanging out. Yep, there's thrusters right there. The other side. But yeah, there's the top right there with some detail. There's the bottom, which is pretty hollow. And yeah, he can roll. So yeah, you're basically looking at Ironhide and Crosshairs. I think that's the other one. But he has molding differences. For example, this part right here is different. The arms are different. The wheels are different, I'm pretty sure, and other parts. The arms are different too. But yeah, that's basically it for vehicle mode. Let's show his weapons, shall we? So here we have his weapons right there. And here's his little missile launcher right there. You can do that, make it a gun, or just do it like that or whatever. But yeah, it's chromed out. These can come apart. There's the missile launcher by itself. bump the camera. Here's the little wrench or ratchet right here, chromed out as well. And here's the little tiny little gun right here, chromed out as well. There are multiple ways of storing the weapons on here. The one that's shown on the package is you plug the gun, you plug the little pistol right there, and you plug the wrench on the missile launcher, and then you plug a bumped right there. But yep, that's one of the ways. Second way, I guess, is you just plug the gun back there, and then you can have this going on. Which, I mean, hey, whatever you want to do, right? But yeah, that's basically it for vehicle mode. So let's get him down to his medical bay mode. And I have the instructions for this because I forgot how to do this. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's all simpled out. Oh god, no it's not, is it? Well, I mean, it's basic. Okay, I'm looking at it and okay, now I remember. Alright, okay, cool. So basically what you want to do is split the legs like that. Bring these in like this, as if you're going to a robot mode. Bring these in like that. Bring the legs out for now, and close these up. Close these up. You just want to close them up like that, and yeah, that's it for that. You tab the legs back in, and you want to just bring the arms out as I'm seeing, and you want to just turn the arms around like that. So basically what's happening here, let me redo it, is you're going to bring the arms out like this, and then you're going to turn these wrists around. And as I can see as I can see there, he is in his medical bay mode. I mean, it's alright, I guess. I think I have it alright, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, let's get a close up on it. And I mean, there's a whole bunch of detail. I mean, you got screens on his shoulders. You got a whole bunch of tools right there. I mean, it's basically him half transformed, kind of, in this weird looking mode. But I mean, yeah, the instructions show that you tab these in like this. You want to tab the gun in like this, has like some sort of laser, I'm guessing. Medical laser. Yeah, I'm just chucking the freaking instructions all the way, because that's really it for that. I mean, I guess you can use this on like maybe cliff jumper. I don't have cliff jumper, so I don't know how big he is. But if he's small enough, maybe. Or you could definitely use this on the Micromasters. But yeah, that is basically it for the medical bay mode. I mean, this can move like that and can do a full 360. So can the gun. I mean, it can do a full 360. So yeah, that's basically it. So let's get into his robot mode. So let's just take the guns out of the way, off of him, and let's begin. So yeah, let's just move the arms out of the way, And you want to just untab the legs like that, and you're basically done with the legs. So now you want to untab the bumper like that. All right, you want that to happen, and then you're gonna grab his whole chest and just swing it around like that to where you have this going on, and he is a guy without his head, so let's bring his head out, and there's his head. And for his chest, you want to bring the chest down to the point where you can just clip it in. There are these little clips, and there's this little clip thingy or whatever that you're going to just clip in like that, so you have the chest looking like that, where it's like out instead of like flat. Then you just want to tab in you want to bring the head up, bring the bumper in like that, and then tab in, clip in the head like that. And there you go, basically. That's, oh, and you want to switch the arms around like that. But yeah, that's basically it. That's, Ratchet right there in his robot mode. So, yeah, and, like I said before, you're basically looking at Ironhide and Crosshairs right here. Just a little minor molding differences and all that stuff, and obviously the different color schemes. But yeah, let's get close for the details. And that's definitely G1. There we go. I'm trying to focus in on his head. I'm not sure if it worked, but that's definitely G1 Ratchet's head right there. I love his chest, love his arms. It's amazing. The only battle damage that's on him, as I can see, is his feet, which are kind of like all dirtied up or whatever. But yeah, look at that. That's clearly really G1 right there. So yeah, and then the back is just all hollow and all that stuff, which I kind of don't like, but oh well. Articulation. His head can kind of look up, not really. He can look down. The head is on a ball joint, so he can just move around like that. Can do a full 360. Arms can go up that high, and there's a little extra joint in there that can get a little bit higher, but yep, it can do that. It can do a full 360 like that. And the elbow, he does have a over, kind of, a little bit more than 90 degrees right there, kind of. And the elbow does have a rotation thing right there. And the hands, the fists can do a full 360 right there. He does have a waist rotation. So, yep, he can do a full 360, as you can see. Thigh rotation right there. He does have a 90-degree bend right there. And the feet cannot go up or down, but it does have that famous ankle tiltage. But yeah, there he is. And let's get his weapons into the frame. There we go. So, yeah, I guess there's multiple ways that you can do this. You can just have your little weapon here like that. Then he can hold it. And like that to be like a gun or whatever. And then he can hold his little pistol gun in his hand like that, or you can take that off and take this off, combine both of them together. And there's this port back here, which you can plug this in to where you can have his old G1 rocket launcher pack on him, which that's pretty dope. And you can just plug his little wrench right there, and there you go. There he is. If I was going to display him, I would be displaying him like this or whatever. The rocket launcher can do that. Can go all the way back. Can go that much forward. Can look up that far. Can look down that far. And yeah, that is it. So let's stand him straight. And let's see how tall he is. So he is just about, he is almost 6.5 inches. I mean, he's almost at that, like, he's 5, hold on. He is almost, he's above the, he's 75% there of 7 inches. He's almost there. He's just above 6.5 inches. So yeah, that is basically it for Ratchet right there, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have, please hit that like button. And please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And go follow me on Instagram. And if you haven't already, hit that bell icon. And yeah, that is it, guys. So this has been the Man from Hell.